after you put your stopper in, got your glass on the rollers, you set your lap time. These are my marks. 22 seconds, I pull that off. After 43 seconds, I pull it off my form. This way it lets it cool enough where it's not going to move when I pull it off. And the reason why I keep track of the time is because this way they all get heated up at the same amount. All the bends will look identical. And it's more of a nice production thing to do. Keep track of your time. I can do these in the average, because I keep track, is right around 54 seconds a piece. And then just keep repeating. Your times will be different because you got to set your fire the way you want it. Otherwise, everything is good.